What's going on, beach bums? I'm gonna do a little room tour for you here. I'm on deck 8. We got a balcony room. Room number is 8274. Before I get started, if I could just ask you to, if you are new to the channel and wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel, it just helps my channel grow and provide you more information like this. So if you could subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you'd like to join the Facebook group, it's the Beach Life on Facebook, and also I have an Instagram, Beach Life YT. So, all right, with that out of the way, again, room 8274. Let's go ahead and walk on in. Our stuff is in here now, so excuse the mess. I am sharing this room with my best friend. We are on a brocation. So we have the twin beds. Obviously, if you're traveling with a significant other or partner, you could have a king bed option. They would just put something in here, bring the beds together. It's perfect for that. You've got the little nightstand in between there, so you can put stuff in. You can a little bit of storage space in here as well, and then you can put stuff up here, whatever you need to. There's no ports. That's the one unfortunate part, at least here. But you could turn the lights on and off from here, which is nice. And if they're off and you just want a reading light, they have the option over here to turn that on and off. We'll turn that back on. One thing I noticed in this room, there's tons and tons of storage space. As you can see, you've got over here, over there, those, you got all that over here. I love this shelving, so I've got my backpack here, my little carry-on, and then of course all of this if I chose to use it. So, and some more over here. So let's just say my buddy that's with me wants to take that space up for his stuff. Oops, sorry for the slam in there. They got a little coffee table here, and of course over there you got the couch that also becomes a bed. So if you're traveling with a third person, the towels that they give you, make sure you bring those back or you get charged. Then over here is your standard area to get ready with the vanity and mirror and all that. There's a light here for that. And then you got your 2 USB ports, two 120 volts, 220 volt over here. So if you had a converter, I guess you can make that as well, a 120. Plenty of space here. Shelves, you got the iron, I said iron. The blow dryer. Yeah, obviously I don't use it. Yeah, I don't use a blow dryer. And then you got all this shelf space. Small TV, but hey, no big deal there. Of course, the closet space, so you can hang stuff. You've got your nice little mini fridge cooler deal here. And more stuff to hang up. Nice full-length mirror there. Some more stuff. And here's your life jacket, but you also have the safe here if you choose to use that. Some more shelf space up there, down here. And of course your bathroom. So your light is here to turn on and off. So off, on. You got these things here so you can hang towels, or I like to hang my thing that has all my toiletry kit that has all my stuff in there. Sometimes I like to take them out, so certain things I might take out that I use every day, colognes and deodorant, things like that. Just your standard bathroom. A couple things I want to point out here in the shower. You've got your shampoo and shower gel, so if you don't care and want to use those, they're there, made available to you. This is the knob to turn the water on and off, and this side just determines how hot or cool you want the water. I would say, set that and forget it, leave that alone, and then every time you come in, all you got to do is worry about this. And then the other thing I want to point out in the shower is if you have wet clothing you want to dry off, you just pull that, take it, put it over here, ta-da, and then when you're not using it, send it on back. So you got that. Now the most important part is, of course, the climate control here. So you make it warmer or cooler. We definitely like it on the cooler side. So there's that. Is this the light for the balcony? Most likely. So I always forget this. This is only my second time saying balcony. They have staying in a balcony. So just make sure to open that. No smoking. Here, another thing to keep in mind: air condition, keep door closed, open door carefully, strong winds. Just something to keep in mind. And here is the balcony. This gorgeous view. So here's what we found out. That ship straight ahead, right there, is the quarantine ship for the crew. So they send them over there if they end up having to be quarantined, and they give them a balcony room, and you know, depending on their ethnicity, they actually even provide channels in their native channel, like the ones that are from India. I was told that they had Indian channels and stuff, which is kind of cool. Very nice of them to say. But I always thought that the only reason I mentioned is that a lot of people were saying that or thought that the quarantining was happening on the ship. And just for those that are concerned or worried, I thought it'd be nice to share that information, that they're actually being quarantined on that ship over there, at least here in Long Beach. I don't know what they're doing at other ports, but here in Long Beach, that's what they're doing. So it's nice that whether it's the Radiance or the Panorama or the Miracle, they're not staying on the ship. So I love that Carnival's doing that and just keeping everybody's safety in mind. All right, guys, now I'm really going. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, turning on that notification bell if you want to see more videos. I have a Facebook group by the same name, The Beach Life. Go look for it, join there. It's a fun little community where we just talk and share information as well. And on Instagram, I'm Beach Life YT. So here you go. It's not that large, but it's perfect, especially if it's just two people. Got the two chairs, a little table, and a great view of Long Beach and the water. Very, very nice. So yeah, so I'm just kind of give you another look. So there's a little bit of space there, but you'd be blocking the door. But yeah, that's the balcony. Doors. And just be careful, watch your step here. So when you're going in or going out. Again, that's pretty much it for the room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, just a reminder, if you could please, it helps out the channel. Feel free to subscribe, and yeah, there'll definitely be more content coming. So this is just the cabin tour part of this. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.